Psychology is the scientific study of the mind. It seeks to understand how we think, feel, and behave. Exploring the complexities of human consciousness, emotions, and actions, this field delves into the inner workings of our minds. Psychology provides insights into our perceptions, motivations, and social interactions. Understanding psychology is crucial for navigating our own lives and the world around us. It helps us make sense of our experiences, relationships, and choices. By studying psychology, we gain valuable tools for self-improvement and personal growth. Psychology empowers us to understand mental health issues and seek appropriate support. Its relevance extends beyond individual well-being, informing various fields, including education, healthcare, and business. By delving into the depths of the mind, psychology illuminates the path to personal growth and collective progress. The roots of psychology can be traced back to ancient civilizations. Philosophers in ancient Greece, such as Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle, pondered the nature of the mind and its connection to the body. Their inquiries laid the groundwork for the systematic study of human thought and behavior. However, psychology as a formal discipline emerged much later. The late 19th century marked a turning point in the history of psychology. In 1879, Wilhelm Wundt established the first experimental psychology laboratory in Leipzig, Germany. Wundt's laboratory focused on studying consciousness using introspection, a method of self-observation. This event is widely regarded as the birth of modern psychology. Following Wundt's pioneering work, psychology rapidly evolved into a diverse field with various schools of thought. Structuralism, led by Edward Titchener, aimed to break down consciousness into its basic elements. Functionalism, spearheaded by William James, emphasized the purpose and adaptive functions of the mind. These early schools of thought shaped the trajectory of psychology and paved the way for future developments. Wilhelm Wundt, the father of experimental psychology, established the first psychology laboratory in 1879. His scientific methods revolutionized the study of the mind. William James developed functionalism, studying consciousness and adaptation. His textbook, Principles of Psychology, shaped the field. Freud's psychoanalytic theory explored the unconscious mind. John B. Watson, a pioneer of behaviorism, focused on observable behaviors. His work paved the way for behavior therapy and clinical psychology. Psychology encompasses a wide array of branches, each with its unique focus and methods. These branches reflect the diverse nature of the human mind and the multifaceted approaches to understanding it. Cognitive psychology delves into the intricacies of mental processes, including perception, attention, memory, language, and problem-solving. Developmental psychology examines the physical, cognitive, and social changes that occur throughout the lifespan. From infancy to old age, developmental psychologists study how we grow, learn, and interact with the world around us. Social psychology explores how individuals think, feel, and behave in social situations. This branch examines the influence of others on our thoughts, feelings, and actions, exploring topics such as conformity, obedience, group dynamics, and prejudice. Clinical psychology focuses on the assessment, diagnosis, and treatment of mental, emotional, and behavioral disorders. Clinical psychologists work with individuals, couples, and groups to address a wide range of psychological concerns. Abnormal psychology investigates the nature, causes, and treatment of psychological disorders. Section 5. Delving deeper. The realm of cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology emerged as a dominant force in the mid-20th century, revolutionizing the way we understand the mind. This branch of psychology focuses on mental processes, including attention, memory, language, perception, and problem-solving. Cognitive psychologists view the mind as an information processor, similar to a computer. One key area of study in cognitive psychology is attention, which refers to our ability to focus on specific stimuli while filtering out distractions. Researchers investigate factors that influence attention, such as the salience of stimuli, our goals and motivations, and individual differences in attentional capacity. Understanding attention is crucial for tasks requiring sustained focus, such as driving, studying, and working. Memory is another fundamental cognitive process that allows us to store and retrieve information. Cognitive psychologists explore different types of memory, including sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. They investigate factors that influence memory encoding, storage, and retrieval, such as rehearsal, elaboration, and the context in which information is learned. Language is a complex system of communication that enables us to express our thoughts, ideas, and feelings. The impact of psychoanalysis. Developed by Sigmund Freud, psychoanalysis emphasizes the unconscious mind's role in shaping thoughts and behaviors. Our conscious awareness is just the tip of the iceberg. The unconscious mind holds repressed memories and desires. The psyche consists of the ID, ego, and superego. Therapy aims to bring unconscious material to conscious awareness. Section 7. Shaping Behavior, the Science of Behaviorism. Behaviorism emerged in the early 20th century as a reaction against the introspective methods of early psychology. Key figures like John Watson and B.F. Skinner argued that psychology should focus on observable behaviors and the environmental stimuli that elicit them. Classical conditioning, a concept discovered by Ivan Pavlov, is a learning process where a neutral stimulus becomes associated with a meaningful stimulus, eliciting a conditioned response. Pavlov's experiments with dogs showed that a bell, initially neutral, could elicit salivation after being repeatedly paired with food. Meanwhile, operant conditioning, developed by B.F. Skinner, examines how the consequences of behavior shape future actions. Positive reinforcement adds a desirable stimulus, whereas negative reinforcement removes an aversive one. Behavior therapy, rooted in these principles, is widely used to treat psychological disorders like phobias and OCD. Section 8. Psychology in Action. Applications in real life. The practical applications of psychology extend well beyond the therapist's office, impacting various aspects of our daily lives. In mental health, psychology is pivotal in diagnosing and treating disorders, aiding professionals like clinical psychologists and psychiatrists in enhancing individual well-being. In education, it informs teaching methods and curriculum development, with educational psychologists creating effective learning environments and addressing disabilities. In the workplace, psychology underpins organizational behavior, human resources, and marketing, with industrial organizational psychologists aiming to boost productivity and satisfaction. Forensic psychology applies these principles to legal settings, providing expert testimony and assessing defendant competency. Section 9. Psychology and the Future Advancements and Innovations. Psychology continuously evolves, driven by new discoveries and innovations. Neuroscience, for example, explores the brain-behavior relationship through techniques like fMRI and EEG, offering insights into the neural basis of our thoughts and emotions. The rise of big data and advanced analytics allows researchers to uncover patterns in human behavior, enhancing our understanding of cognition and mental health. Artificial intelligence is developing tools for tasks like mental health diagnosis and personalized therapy, complementing the work of human psychologists. Meanwhile, positive psychology focuses on strengths and well-being, studying what contributes to happiness and resilience. Cross-cultural psychology, recognizing the importance of cultural context, challenges Western-centric views and promotes a broader understanding of human behavior. Section 10. Concluding Thoughts. The Enduring Power of Psychology. The power of psychology lies in its ability to illuminate the complexities of the human mind and behavior, offering insights that improve our lives and address societal challenges. Evolving from philosophical inquiries into a rigorous scientific discipline, psychology has traversed through structuralism, functionalism, psychoanalysis, and cognitive psychology, continuously expanding our understanding. Its applications in mental health, education, and the workplace have proven impactful, promoting well-being and positive change. As we advance into the 21st century, psychology's relevance remains undeniable, promising new possibilities for personal growth and societal progress. The journey of psychological exploration is ongoing, and its discoveries will continue to shape our understanding of what it means to be human.